Agentic AI will change all these businesses and industries: real estate, e commerce, healthcare, ad tech, or you name it, any other. People from these industries who will be the early adopters of multi agentic system will have the largest ever unfair
We live in
advantage.
a world where there are going to be hundreds of millions and billions of different AI agents, eventually, probably more AI agents than there are people in the world.
2024 has been the year of agents. And what an agent is an AI that actually completes a task. You ask it to do something, and it doesn't just tell you how to do it, it does it for you.
AI agent is the new buzzword, the evolution of chatbots to agents that can act on your behalf, and everyone wants it.
Agentic era has started. Till now, you were using different AI tools to make things faster in your business. But now, this is the time for AI agents. AI agents are disrupting the market and the businesses. They are doing operations, dealing with customers, and handling tasks. And that too 24 into 7 without any human interference. This is how these AI agents are transforming different industries at a very large level. From a small clinic to companies like KPMG or Amazon, every business will be impacted by these AI agents. Hi, my name is Gaurav Mitawa, founder of Vision AI. We are building these AI agents. I started back in the month of June last year, and till then, I have seen how these businesses are transformed by AI agents. According to a report by McKinsey, 50% of the job processes that are done by humans today will be done by AI agents by 2030. But here is the hack: this report is getting wrong. The rate of adoption of AI agent is so fast that this will be achieved in next 2 to 3 years. Yes, there will be millions or billions of AI agents handling, managing different operations in different businesses or industries will be done by AI agents faster, better, and cheaper than humans. Now let's understand what is agentic AI or multi AI agent system. Till now, we all have used different AI tools. While using any tool, we provide input and after that we expect a output. ChatGPT is a perfect example of that. But AI agents are 100 steps ahead of these. They are built and trained according to the business or industry use cases, and then they are deployed in different processes of these businesses where they manage the entire process without any supervision. They do it 100%, which makes these business autonomously run by these AI agents. And these AI agents are trained on these business data, which after that they work like a team of AI employees. And that makes small businesses capable enough to take the competitive advantage over big tech companies. So while using these AI agents, these small companies or small businesses can have the capabilities or leverage to adopt AI agents in their system, which makes them capable to compete with big companies. Now, let's understand how these AI agents are transforming different industries. Starting from e commerce has wide challenges dealing with customer, their queries, the customer support, low conversion rate, low retention rate, or even high cart abundance rate. These AI agents deployed on their website, social media, interact with their visitors, and they provide every single management, whether it is customer support or helping your customer as a personal assistant. They manage the entire process, which automate their 70 to 80% of their first interaction of the customer. According to a report by McKinsey, these AI agents increase the conversion rate by 80%. It was okay until we figured out that these AI agents are excellent at crafting stories, and while selling the products, they tell the stories which makes them easy to increase the conversion rate for the seller. As we know that the story connects the human, and when we hear the story, we connect with the product or we connect with the brand. That makes easy for these AI agents to sell the products to their customers. Imagine the level of automation these AI agents are doing for e-commerce businesses. Their first interaction of their customers to taking follow-ups, the 70 to 80% of these processes are automated and managed by these AI agents. Now let's take an example of healthcare. According to Accenture and McKinsey report, they says that 40% of the administration tasks and 80% of the business processes in healthcare, particularly in clinic or hospitals, will be done by AI agents. Let's take an example where a clinic has a multiple doctor. Most of the patient remain confused while choosing the doctor for their illness. What they do is they visit the website of their near clinic or hospitals. Now imagine the AI agent deployed on this website, which is trained on medical knowledge, interact with these patient and talk about the disease they have and provide them the solution that and create them confidence about their diseases, which can be solved by the doctor in their hospitals. So it create a confidence in the patient to book an appointment with the doctor in their hospitals, which directly make them customer of that hospital or that healthcare industry. Now, from managing the appointment schedules to taking follow-ups and providing the information about their test reports are all managed by these AI agents. This is how these AI agents automate 60 to 70% of the tasks in a hospital or in a healthcare company. This is how these AI agents are creating a global impact in every industry. McKinsey Global Institute says that these multi-agent system will contribute 4 to 6 trillion dollars in the global economy by 2030. That means there will be more than millions and billions of AI agents deployed in different processes in different industries and businesses, helping them to leverage their business in the competitive market. But the nature's rule is followed everywhere. Whoever adopt the early in the evolution get the maximum benefit from the laggards. Now we can say that this is the perfect time to adopt AI agents in all our businesses. If you want to adopt these AI agents in your business, fill the form in the description box and I would love to discuss how these AI agents can transform your business. We'll see you in the next video.